mga ka-Miranda! Welcome to our series on mastering the OKX DEX Wallet. Sa video na ito, we're gonna be introducing sa inyo the OKX Decentralized Wallet or DEX, its purpose, and the benefits. The OKX DEX Wallet, ka-Miranda, is a decentralized, non-custodial wallet. Ibig sabihin, hindi hawak na OKX ang funds mo that allows you to manage your crypto assets across multiple blockchains. Unlike centralized wallets, ikaw ay may full control ng private keys mo, ensuring enhanced security and ownership of your assets. Kung wala ka pang OKX DEX Wallet, huwag mong kalimutang gumawa na ngayon using the link you could find in the description of this video. Miranda, with the support of over 20 plus blockchains and access to almost 3 million crypto assets, itong OKX DEX Wallet natin can offer comprehensive solution for both beginners and advanced users. Meron tayong pinrepare na 10 video para sa inyo on this particular playlist. So at least you can set up and maximize the potential of your OKX DEX in this series. Maraming salamat kay Miranda and I love you 3000.